We use ghosts in models to simplify diagrams and prevent things from getting too messy. And the new ability in 3.6 to ghost modules is used for exactly that same reason. In this particular model I'm going to show you, we don't really need to do any of that because it's so very simple, but I want to show you the different ways that you can use ghosts of modules. The first is simply to use the ghost tool on a module and make a ghost of the module in another location. Now, once you've done that, if there's a connection from module 1 into module 2, you can draw the connection from module 1's ghost into module 2, and it will simply replace the connection that used to be there without having any change at all being made to the model structure. Similarly, we could ghost the variable that's going into module 1, and I could draw a connection from the ghost of that variable into module 1, and it will replace the connection that used to be from the parent of that ghost. And finally, we have a module 1 has an output into this cross-level ghost. I can do the same thing as I did with module 1 to module 2. I can replace the input from that with the ghost of module 1. And so what this does is it gives us the flexibility to move modules and their ghosts around in a way to reduce clutter and kind of keep things as simple as possible in model diagrams.